My dear students, welcome to DM Pannale classes YouTube channel. Now we'll discuss mathematics key answers for Karnataka Common Entrance Test 2020. Version code is B1. Version code B1. Next question number 1. If R is the relation on the set 1, 2, 3 defined by R is equal to flower bucket ordered pair 1, 1, then R is symmetric and transitive. Therefore, the right choice of this question is C. Next question number 2. If f is a function from semi-open interval to infinity tends to R be the function defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5, then the range of f is semi-open interval 1 infinity closed at first end and open at second end. Okay. Next question number 3. If A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events of an experiment such that P of A is equal to 2 times of P of B is equal to 3 times of P of C, then P of B is equal to 3 by 11. Okay. Next, move on to question number 4. The domain of the function defined by f of x is equal to cos inverse of square root under x minus 1. The domain of this function is closed interval 1, 2. Okay. Next, question number 5. The value of cos of sin inverse of 5 by 3 plus cos inverse of 5 by 3 is, if this is equal to 5 by 2, cos of 5 by 2 is equal to 0. The right choice of this question is A, that is 0. Next, move on to question number 6. If A is equal to one matrix is given, order of that matrix is 3, then A raised to 4 is equal to I, where I is an identity matrix of order 3. The right choice of this question is C. Okay. Next, move on to question number 7. If A is equal to flower bucket A, B, C, then the number of binary operations on A is 3 raised to 9. Therefore, the right choice of this question is D. Okay. Next, move on to question number 8. If the matrix R1 is 2 1 3 2 A into A is equal to identity matrix, then the matrix A is uh, R1 is 2 minus 1, R2 is minus 3 2. The right choice of this question is B. Okay. Next, move on to question number 9. If f of x is equal to 1 determinant is given, then its value becomes now put x is equal to 0, then after simplification we get f of 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, move on to question number 10. If A and B are the square matrices of the same order, then B is a skew symmetric matrix. Then A dash into B into A is skew symmetrics. The right choice of this question is D. Next, move on to question number 11. Okay. If A is a square matrix of order 3, then determinant of A is equal to 5, then determinant of A into adjoint of A is, okay, here we know that determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A. The determinant of A is given, that is 5. In determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to n minus 1, where n is an order, then put n is equal to 3. 5 into 5 square is 125 into 5 is equal to 125. Therefore, the right choice of this question is B, that is 125. Next, question number 12. If f of x is equal to 1 minus cos kx divided by x sin x if x is not equal to 0. F of x is equal to 1 by 2 if x is equal to 0. Is continuous function at x is equal to 0, then the value of k is, okay, here by using L Hospital rule, because put x is equal to 0, then we get 0 by 0 from indeterminate form. Because of this, by using L Hospital rule, then after simplification the value of k is plus or minus 1. Therefore, the right choice of this question is D, that is plus or minus 1. Question number 13. Question number 13. If A1, A2, A3 dash dash A9 are in AP arithmetic progression, then this determinant is equal to. This determinant is equal. Here we know that A1, A2, A3 dash dash A9 are in AP. Okay, here we know that first term, second term, dash dash 9 term. Then substitute the values of A1, A2, A3, and A9. Then after by using properties of determinants, then after simplification we get 0. 0 can be written as like this, because log e to the base e is 1, log 1 is 0. Therefore the right choice of question number 13 is C. Next, question number 14. We know that if 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y is equal to 2 raised to x plus y, then dy by dx is, okay, here this is the standard form, then this is equal to minus 2 times 2 raised to y minus x. Okay, next, question number 15. If f of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square, then f dash of root 3, then f dash of root 3 is 1 by 2. Put x is equal to tan theta, then after simplification we get this is required result, result 1 by 2. Therefore the right choice of question number 15 is B, that is 1 by 2. Okay, next, question number 16. If right hand left hand limit of a function f of x is equal to e raised to 1 by x minus 1 divided by e raised to 1 by x plus 1. If x is not equal to 0 and f of x is equal to 0, if x is equal to 0. Okay, by using the definition for continuous function, then after simplification we get right hand limit is 1, left hand limit is minus 1. Okay, next, move on to question number 17. If y is equal to 2 into x raised to n plus 1 plus 3 by x raised to n, then x square into d square y by dx square is option B, n into n plus 1 into y. Next, move on to question number 18. If the curves 2x is equal to y square and 2xy is equal to k intersect perpendicularly, then the value of k square is 8. Next, move on to question number 19. If x into e raised to y is equal to e raised to x, then dy by dx is, okay, here first apply log on both sides in this equation, then after simplification we get dy, then differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to this result, log x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. Next, question number 20. If the side of a cube is increased by 5%, then surface area of a cube is increased by 10%. Okay, the right choice of this question is A. Next, question number 21. If the value of integral of 1 plus x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 6 is tan inverse x plus 1 by 3 times tan inverse of x cube plus c. The right choice of this question is B. Okay, next, question number 22. The maximum value of log x to the base e divided by x if x is greater than 0. The maximum value of this function is 1 by e. Okay, next, move on to question number 23. The value of integral of e raised to sin x into sin 2x into dx is times e raised to sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c. The right choice of this question is A. Next, question number 24. The value of integral of cos inverse x into dx between the limits minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. The value of this definite integral is 5 by 2. The option is B is correct. Then question number 25. If integral of 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx is equal to a times log of modulus of x minus 1 plus b times log of modulus of x minus 2 plus c times log of x minus 3 plus c, then the value of a, b, c are respectively. The values of a, b, c are 2, minus 7, 5 respectively. Next question number 26. The value of integral of log of 1 plus x divided by 1 plus x square into dx between the limits 0 to 1 is 5 by 8 into log 2. Okay, D is the right choice. Next question number 27. If the area bounded by the curve y square is equal to 8x and the line y is equal to 2 is 4 by 3 square units. 4 by 3 square units. Okay. Next question number 28. The value of integral of cos x divided by 1 plus e raised to x into dx between the limits minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is C, that is 1. Next, move on to question number 29. Order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating arbitrary constant in the family of curve. Okay, here the right choice of this question is 1. The number of arbitrary constant in the order of a differential equation is 1, because it has only one arbitrary constant. Next, question number 30. The general solution of the differential equation x square into dy minus 2xy into dx is equal to x to 4 into cos x into dx is y is equal to x square into sin x plus c into x square. The right choice of this question is A. Next, question number 31. The area of the region bounded by the line y is equal to x plus 1 x axis and the ordinates x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1 is 5 by 2. The right choice of this question is C. Next, question number 32. If two vectors are given I plus j plus k, I plus 3j plus 5k represent two sides vector AB, vector AC respectively of a triangle ABC. The length of the median through A is root 14. Next, question number 33. If A and B are the are unit vectors, theta is the angle between vector A and vector B, then sine of theta by 2 is model magnitude of vector A minus vector B divided by 2. The right choice of this question is C. Okay, next move on to question number 34. The curve passing through the point 1 2, given that the slope of the tangent at any point xy is 2x by y represents a hyperbola. D is the right choice. Next, move on to question number 35. If magnitude of vector A cross vector B whole square plus magnitude of A dot B whole square is equal to 144 and magnitude of vector A is 6, then magnitude of vector B is 2. The right choice of question number 35 is C. Next, question number 36. The point 1 minus 3 4 lie in the octant, fourth octant. Okay. Next, question number 37. If the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k, 2i plus j minus k and lambda I minus j plus 2k are coplanar, then the value of lambda is 6. K is the correct choice. Next, question number 38. The distance of the point 1 2 minus 4 from the line, this is given line, is B root of 293 by 7. Question number 39. The sine of the angle between the straight line, okay, this is a straight line, and the plane is also given, is root 2 by 10. Root 2 by 10. The right choice of question number 39 is D. Next, question number 40. If a line makes an angle 5 by 3 each of x and y axis, the acute angle made by the z axis is 5 by 4. Okay. Next, question number 41. The corner points of the feasible region determined by the system of linear constraint are 0 3 1 2 and 3 0. Let z is equal to objective functions is given where pq greater than 0. The conditions on p q so that the minimum of z occurs at 3 0 and 1 1. By using these two corner points, these two put these two corner points in objective function, then after simplification we get the relation p is equal to q by 2. Okay, next question number 42. The feasible region of the LPP is shown in the figure. If z is equal to 11x plus 7y, then the maximum value of z occurs at. Okay, here first we have to find the corner points. These three are the corner points. Then put these corner points in this objective function. After simplification we get a maximum value, that is the maximum value of z occurs at okay at corner point 3 2. Next question number 43. A die is thrown 10 times. The probability that an odd number will come up at least one time is 1023 divided by 1024. Next question number 44. If two A and B, two events such that P of A is equal to 1 by 3, P of B is equal to 1 by 3, P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 6, then P of A dash by B is 2 by 3. The A is the right choice. Next question number 45. If events E1, E2 form a partition of a sample space F. A is an event such that P of E1 is equal to P of E2 is equal to 1 by 2, P of E2 by A is equal to 1 by 2, P of A by E2 is equal to 2 by 3, then P of E1 by A is 1 by 2. A is the right choice. Next question number 46. The probability of solving a problem by 3 persons ABC independently is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 respectively. And the probability of the problem is solved by any two of them is 1 by 4. Next question number 47. If n of a is equal to 2, the total number of possible relations from set A to set P is 104. Then n of B is 5. Okay. Next question number 48. The value of sine square of 51 degree plus sine square of 39 degree is 1. Option A. 49. If tan A plus cot A is equal to 2, then the value of tan raised to 4 A plus cot raised to 4 A is 2. Question number 50. If A is equal to if A is equal to flower bucket 1 2 3 4 5 6, then the number of subsets of A which contains at least two elements is 57. C is the right choice. Question number 51. If z is equal to x plus iy, then the equation modulus of z plus 1 is equal to modulus of z minus 1 represents y-axis because x is equal to 0. After simplification we get x is equal to 0. X is equal to shows that equation of y-axis. Okay. Next question number 52. The value of 16c9 plus 16c10 minus 16c6 minus 16c7 is a0. The number of term in the expansion of x plus y plus z raised to 10 is 66. A is the right choice. Then this question is repeat 54. P of n such that 2 raised to n less than n factorial. Then the smallest positive integer for which P of n is true if 4. N is equal to 4. Question number 55. If two lines are given are perpendicular, then L into L dash plus M into M dash is equal to 0. The right choice of question number 55 is A. Okay. Question number 56. The parabola x square is equal to 4ay passes through this point. Then the length of the lattice rectum. First we have to find the values of A, then put lattice rectum formula, then after simplification 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Next question number 57. The sum of the terms of an AP is given Sn is equal to n square plus n. Then the common difference of the AP is, first we have to find first term and second term by using sum of the terms of an AP. Then after simplification we get A1 and A2 or T1 and T2. Then T2 minus T1 is equal to or A2 minus A1 is equal to uh, 2. Okay, this is question number 57. Okay, next question number 58. The negation of the statement for all real numbers x and y, x plus y is equal to y plus x. The negation of this statement is a first one: for all the real numbers x and y, x plus y is not equal to y plus x. Next question number 59. The standard deviation of the data is given 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is root 2. Okay, next question number 60, last question. Limit of tan x divided by square root under 2x plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. The right choice of question number 60 is A. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students, for watching this video.